Yes, people, we can see that the Chinese is taking over the Jamaica housing market by storm. These houses are modern house. We call it Chinese capsule house. These houses are priced at $8 million for the one bedroom and $9 million for the two bedroom.
Also making use of this space. You need to cabinet or something. Or you can put a smaller freezer.
Yeah, man. It's going to be use as a nice basic parlor.
People don't want to live with us again.
No, sir.
So it's great. I'm going to put the TV in this one.
Yeah, this one comes with TV.
Yeah,
This
TV.
is a sheet. You can install a projector here.
Yeah.
So this one comes with
TV.
你好，木木。关闭天窗。This is the toilet and the bathroom. Very open. You also have a window.
Oh, okay.
This can use as one nice business place.
This is just bedroom alone.
You decide what you want to do with it. See? You can decide here, so
A lot of people don't buy it for that purpose. No?
but all this look small so outside.
And you look bigger than you look big.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look big in here.
You can use it as a bedroom.
You look big in
You
here.
put the kitchen like this. You can use hot plate. You know, maybe you can do
Electric take
this and the other stuff like that.
this one electric stove. The solar you have, and it's electric.
Some people don't have money to be able to do this.
Just comfortable.
Yeah, man, we just start.
Yeah, that's a smaller one.
Okay.
A control box for power and that is for internet cable.
Okay. That's
Yes,
the name of my plan.
So this is right here. That's what I like when you know.
Nice. Should we go open?